DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. And you don't know when I lab what I do, you know. Crazy reaction and crazy bangers pound the head tap. I don't tell you no, I'm not tap tell you no. You see me, them I got tired for hear my voice and see my face. Yeah man, I see what we are doing today. Yeah, we're back with none other than the world boss. Gaza boss. Gaza Dan. The teacher. You see me and say the king of dancehall himself, you don't know where they are with Vybz Kartel. You see me, come like Vybz Kartel, yo. Well, world boss, you know I'm getting no sleep tonight, brother. You see me, gang, if you don't know, me just drop my reaction to Vybz Kartel, Good Like Jesus video. If you see me, if you haven't checked it out as yet, at the end of this video, go check that out. You already know what time it is. Yeah man, gang. World boss, but he's active. Like 20 minutes after that, this man dropped this audio, White Rum. I'm going to check it out and see what dog got to deal with. The hardest working dancehall artist. I feel give him that. You see me and say, come like, man, can't wait no longer. So, hey, World Boss is back at it. Yeah, man, gang, we don't want to be very much longer. Road to 10K, hit the like and subscribe button. Vybz Kartel, White Rum, let's get it.
We'd make me get high, but 1 million fucking time. Million fucking time.
Facts. You see me and saying, you don't know I is one that does partake in the
Yo, out and bad. Yo, chat.
Yo, me the hear that preview a song on IG, bro, and the beat was crazy and let's see. Hey!
Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Mingle there, but the darkness like night. Come grab a weed, make you lose weight like light. But liquor boy, go on here, have to drink Milo. When I say, mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum.
Yeah, man, this is what I heard he preview, bro. Come on, me telling you, Vybz Kartel bring back vibes, dancehall. Hey man, bring back the vibes there, dancehall. Too much darkness, man say. Too much darkness, too much dunceness. You see me, big up everybody still. You see me, I say, come in. Vibes again.
But 1 million fucking time. Million fucking time.
Facts, that's facts.
Yeah.
Go on, world boss, back at it again. Come on, man.
Bad. Yo, chat. Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Mingle there, but the darkness like night. Come grab a weed, make you lose weight like light. But liquor boy, go on here, have to drink Milo. When I say, mix the Red Bull with the white rum. The white rum.
Come in now, mingle there, but the dark. Hey, come in.
The white rum with the white rum.
Survive.
White rum, the right rum.
Yeah, man, say with the white rum, bro. Come in. Yo, the black wanna hear this. Come in.
Special, yeah.
Come in.
Weed and alcohol, grab a stink like when a baby drunk a man. Big up the man them down a west way off on the farm. Them send a couple pounds for me.
Man say weed and alcohol, grab a think like when drunk a man. Yes, Vybz Kartel, come on, bro. Long time we don't get some artists who give some fun play on words. Some where we can laugh and pull up and say, yo, what dog really just said? Come in, bro.
Alcohol, grab a stink like when a baby drunk a man. Big up the man them down a west way off on the farm. Them send a couple pounds for me, couple for ambition. That time me brother save a smoke, so still we not no liver. The way the grabber hat me pon it right beside the river. Woo. Pass me like a
hey man, I chop on the beat, you know man. That's all is back, bro. It's beautiful, come on.
Squeeze it like a cigar trigger. And when the sun come out, that splits a fireball ya bigger. Did they give a fuck about the nigga? Yeah. Fuck your girl and send her to you. Push it, really do you. Mix the Red Bull with the white rum. Mingle there, but the
dancehall is back. I'm telling my youth. Dancehall is back, you know, man. Say, no, some kuno mono. I would do it. No, man. Hey, we take out to them notepads. Take out on the notepads. Take notes, niggas. This is how you dominate. You see me online and in music, bro. Come on, listen.
Grab a hat, me pon it right beside the river. Pass me light and make me squeeze it like a cigarette trigger. And when the sun come out, the spliff a fireball ya bigger. Did they give a fuck about a nigga? Fuck your girl and send her to you. Push it, makes the red ball with the white dog.
Oh, easy, you come in. Oh, no, kono mono. I'm tono, brother. Yeah, Vybz Kartel, yeah, teeth, my words, you know. Me, I always say that still, you know, before you know, like, yeah, I say, some kono mono. Yeah, I say, out to them. Come in.
Yeah, but the darkness like night come. Grab a weed, make you lose weight like light. But liquor boy, go on here, you have to drink Milo. When we say, mix the red bull with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum.
Easy, you know, man. Vybz Kartel, I think that guy advertise all him liquor too, you know, easy to understand.
The white rum, the right rum buckler. What you drink? Special, yeah.
Special, yeah. Special, yeah. Special, yeah. Special, yeah. Special, yeah. Special, yeah. Oh, we are drink gang. Special, yeah. I want you.
Burn it up in the attic or the lobby when me feel down it. Pick me up like a cabbie and me bunny with.
Yeah, white room out dance and party now. No, don't dare. You do not dare raise the price. I want to know bright.
Little vibes and little lady and me bunny with me catty and we not fuck no up. No beggy smoke or you sat in a car. Your own lighter, your weed and grab a with you. It's a habit to be your baller and keep it up. If you move like a cokehead, you get a ticket card. No.
Easy. Come in. Cartel. Man, bring back fun to dancehall. I want to know what me people are telling you no one here, no. Dancehall is back, you know. You see me and say, yeah, man, yo, we have to come with some different vibes, some different topics, some different metaphors, some different rare. Because people don't want the depressed slow sit no more, you know, man. You see me alive? Well, that's going to always have, but you don't get me saying at the club? Yeah, people want vibes. Come in.
With me catty and we not fuck no up. No beggy smoke or you sat in a car. Your own lighter, your weed and grab a with you. It's a habit to be your
smoker, bring your own lighter and weed and grab a with you. Yeah, it's about
baller and keep it up. If you move like a cokehead, you get a ticket card. No. Me give me granny little rum for try some. She said me head her me grandson, me I go lie down. So me sneaky.
Like something give me granny some rum for try. Grandson made her head, but I don't there.
My girlfriend, you bring the wine come. Me happy like light come. Mix the red bull with the white rum. Make a day but the darkness like night come.
But I say girlfriend bring weird.
My girlfriend, you bring the wine come. Me happy like light come. Mix the red bull with the white rum. Make a day but the darkness like night come. Grab a weed, make you lose weight like light bulb. Liquor boy, go on here, you have to drink Milo. When me say, mix the red bull with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum. The white rum with the white rum.
Come in now and talk to them.
The white rum, the right rum buckler. What you drink? Special, yeah. Special, yeah. Special, yeah. Special, yeah.
Yeah. Talk to them now, man. Special all day. Yeah, man. No, yeah, I mean, yeah, man. Vybz Kartel. I want to know about raise the price of a blood clear rum now, no dog. That me I tell you, Don't you dare raise the price of the rum in the bars, in the clubs. You see me I say on the road. You see me I say gang. But Vybz Kartel back at it. Now they're working dancehall artists, man. Tear up, burn up road. Man can't itch, man. Man got a club. You see that just can't itch, man. Ready to get back at it. That's why I see man in a club, bro. The Vybz dancehall is him. He is dancehall. You see me say, man, need to be back out in the clubs and the music scene. Man can't itch, man, go out and see this and excite and get some vibes and see what go on and say, you know what? You gotta get back at it. You see me man saying, yeah, man got to get back at it. Man, you see me I say so. Big up to Vybz Kartel. White Rum. Also, gang, go check if you haven't. Go check out my reaction to his new video. Good Like Jesus. You see me just dropped it a while ago, gang. Yeah, man, mad video. You see me I say as well as this Vybz Kartel. That going crazy. Is he gonna make a video for this one? I don't know. We'll probably see. You see me I say, but the idea bad. Mix it right rum with the right. Mix it right rum with the right rum. Big up your damn self. Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. If you like it, gang, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know so the dance anyway. Also, gang, drop in the comment section what's your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Drop a request and you can get a shout out. You don't know, road to 10K, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know how we do it. You see me? I said, till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.